Sure, here are 10 popular ChatGPT plugins and their uses.
1. ChatGPT API. This plugin allows developers to integrate ChatGPT into their own applications or services, enabling real-time conversational AI capabilities. 2. ChatGPT Slack integration. With this plugin, you can add ChatGPT as a bot in your Slack workspace, allowing you to have interactive conversations with the model directly within Slack. 3. ChatGPT WordPress plugin. This plugin enables you to integrate ChatGPT into your WordPress website, providing a chatbot-like experience for your visitors. 4. ChatGPT Discord bot. By adding this plugin to your Discord server, you can have ChatGPT join your channels and engage in conversations with users, making your Discord community more interactive. 5. ChatGPT Telegram bot. This plugin allows you to create a Telegram bot powered by ChatGPT, enabling you to have AI-powered conversations with users on the Telegram messaging platform. 6. ChatGPT Facebook Messenger integration. With this plugin, you can integrate ChatGPT into your Facebook Messenger chatbot, providing AI-driven responses to users interacting with your bot. 7. ChatGPT Twitch extension. This plugin enables you to add ChatGPT as an extension to your Twitch channel, allowing viewers to interact with the model during live streams. 8. ChatGPT Voice Assistant integration. This plugin allows you to integrate ChatGPT with popular voice assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, enabling natural language conversations with the model through voice commands. 9. ChatGPT Customer Support integration. This plugin is designed for customer support use cases, allowing you to integrate ChatGPT into your support ticketing system or live chat platform to provide automated responses to customer queries. 10. ChatGPT Virtual Assistant app. This plugin provides a standalone virtual assistant application powered by ChatGPT, allowing users to have conversational interactions with the model on their mobile devices. Please note that the availability and specific details of these plugins may vary, so it's always a good idea to check the official documentation or websites for the most up-to-date information.